Hi everyone, my name is Alicia Lazoya, and I'm going to be walking you through all the research I've gathered that's going to help prepare me to create an effective and professional customer service training for Sacramento County Animal Control. I'm going to be reviewing 5 key topics from Chapter 9 of our textbook, along with resources that support each concept. This resource is going to be the foundation for the training that I'm developing. The training topic is going to be customer service communication, specifically for Sacramento County Animal Control. The audience for this training would be new employees who handle phone calls, walk-ins, and field inquiries. Animal control deals with emotional, urgent, and sometimes stressful situations, from lost pets to aggressive animals to licensing questions. So strong communication skills are essential. This research helps us build a training program that supports professionalism, empathy, and clarity. One of the key concepts from Chapter 9 is underinvestment in training. Public agencies often struggle to allocate enough resources for staff development, which can lead to service gaps and inconsistent performance. A recent example comes from the performance audit of the City of Sacramento's Animal Care Division Services, published April 2025. The audit highlighted several operational challenges, including staffing shortages, communication issues, and areas where additional training could improve customer interactions and overall service delivery. This reinforces the importance of developing strong, structured customer service training for animal control staff. Effective training helps reduce misunderstandings, improves public trust, and supports safer, more consistent operations. Chapter 9 emphasizes that adults learn best when training is relevant, practical, and connected to real problems that they face on the job. To support this concept, I reviewed the video, Adult Learning Basics, Engage and Motivate Adult Learners, from YouTube. The video highlights key principles such as giving learners autonomy, connecting training to their existing experience, and using real-world examples to keep them engaged. This aligns directly with customer service work in animal control. Adults in this field respond best when training uses realistic situations, like handling emotional calls about missing pets, responding to reports of stray or aggressive animals, or explaining the Sacramento County licensing requirements. The video reinforces that adults learn more effectively when they can immediately see how the information applies to their daily responsibilities. This helps me design training that is practical, scenario-based, and grounded in real interactions our staff experience daily. Chapter 9 discusses the idea of learning organizations, workplaces that continuously improve, innovate, and integrate learning into everyday operations. To explore this concept further, I reviewed this article, Designing Biometric Learning Environments for Animal Welfare Education, a Gamified Approach, by Emson and colleagues. The article examines how animal welfare education can be strengthened through interactive, gamified learning environments. Although the study focuses on educational settings, this concept can apply directly to animal control as a public service. The authors highlight how immersive, experience-based learning helps people better understand animal behavior, welfare needs, and decision-making in real-world situations. This aligns with the chapter's emphasis on creating environments where employees continuously learn and adapt. For customer service in Sacramento County Animal Control, this research reinforces the value of training approaches that go beyond lectures. Interactive elements such as scenario-based practice, simulations, or guided decision-making would all help staff build confidence and respond more effectively to callers. The article supports the idea that learning should be ongoing, engaging, and connected to real animal welfare challenges, which is essential for developing a strong customer service culture. Chapter 9 highlights motivation as a key principle in successful training and development. It's the idea that people learn better when they are genuinely eager to acquire new knowledge, skills, and abilities, and when they feel encouraged to apply what they've learned. Motivation provides the energy and persistence needed to work toward improvement, especially when learning something new involves challenges or uncertainty. The chapter explains that one way to build motivation is by helping employees understand why the training matters. When staff see how a new skill connects to a larger agency goals, such as meeting updated requirements, improving service delivery, or addressing community concerns, they're more willing to engage. In animal control, this might mean explaining why improved customer service communication helps reduce complaints, supports public safety, and strengthens the trust within the Sacramento County residents. Another strategy is ensuring that management actively supports employees as they put new skills into practice. People often worry about how changes will affect their schedules, responsibilities, or performance evaluations. Path goal theory suggests that managers should clearly explain goals and provide a realistic pathway for achieving them. In training, this means addressing concerns openly, offering guidance, and showing patience during the trial and error phase of learning. Finally, the chapter emphasizes that motivation must continue throughout the entire learning process. Training materials should be relevant and connected to real problems that employees face, and feedback should be positive and supportive. Consistent follow-through from supervisors helps reinforce that the training is valued and that employees are supported as they grow. All of these ideas help me design customer service training that keeps animal control staff engaged, confident, and motivated to apply their new communication skills in their daily interactions. Chapter 9 emphasizes that evaluating training effectiveness is essential for understanding whether learning actually leads to improved performance. The chapter highlights several levels of evaluation, including learner reactions, knowledge gained, behavior changes on the job, and measurable organizational results. To support this concept, I reviewed the YouTube video How to Measure Training Effectiveness, Key Metrics, and Best Practices from CHRMP. The video explains practical ways organizations can assess whether training is working, such as tracking performance metrics, gathering feedback, and observing behavior changes over time. It also highlights the importance of connecting evaluation methods to the goals of the training program. This is especially relevant for customer service in Sacramento County Animal Control. Effective evaluation could include things like monitoring call resolution rates, reduction in complaints, improvements in caller satisfaction, or clearer communication during stressful situations. The video reinforces that evaluation should never be an afterthought. It's a critical part of ensuring that training leads to real improvements in service quality. And by combining the chapter's evaluation framework with the best practices from the video, I can design training that not only teaches new skills, but it also includes meaningful ways to measure whether those skills are actually being applied successfully. All of this research directly supports the training video I'm going to be creating next week. I'll use real animal control scenarios, apply adult learning principles, include role play examples, and build in ways to evaluate the training's effectiveness. The goal is to help new employees communicate clearly, stay calm under pressure, and provide excellent service to Sacramento County residents. Thank you for watching this overview. These concepts and resources will guide the development for next week's customer service training video.